Let me tell you about someone I've helped. We'll call her Tessa. Tessa worked hard. She earned a decent income, but somehow her money disappeared every month. One Sunday, she checked her food delivery app, 14 orders in 10 days. She sighed and said to herself something honest. I'm not even hungry. I'm just stressed. And maybe you felt that too. Buying something small just to feel a little better. Now, if you are living paycheck to paycheck and wondering if savings is even possible, stay with me because today I'll show you 4 simple ways normal people save their first $10,000, even on a low income. And before this video ends, you choose one small step that you can start today. If that story sounds familiar, tap like and tell me in the comments below what is your I'm stressed, not hungry purchase. No shame, because we're all learning together here. One of the biggest money lies people believe is this: I'll save when I earn more. But the truth is very different. Many people who become financially stable actually start saving while their income is still small, because saving is not really about income, it's about habit. Someone who earned $100,000 who saves nothing still feels stressed. But someone earning $40,000 who saves a little each week slowly builds peace and security. Here are 4 simple ways you can start building your first $10,000 even on a small income. Tip number 1, start small, but start now. Saving $10,000 sounds huge, but when you break it into small pieces, it becomes possible. You see, if you save $50 a week, that's $2,600 a year. If you save $100 a week, that becomes $5,200 a year. That means your first $10,000 could happen in about 2 years. Not magic, just small step repeated every week. You see, when Tessa realized this, she stopped trying to save huge amounts. She started with $25 every Friday. It didn't feel big, but it felt possible. And that small step changed everything. Here's a tip you can use today. Every time you skip a $40 impulse buy, move that $40 to savings. You didn't lose that money, you simply pay your future self instead. Tip number 2, do a 7-day money check. One of the most powerful things you can do is simply watch where your money goes for 1 week. Not to judge yourself, just to understand your habit. Write down every purchase into 3 simple groups: needs, wants, or future you. Your needs are your rent, your food, and your transport. Your wants are the takeaway, shopping, and treat. The future you are the savings and debt repayments. When Tessa tried this exercise, something surprised her. In just 1 week, she found $62 on delivery foods, $48 on random shoppings, and $80 on small treats, almost $190. Not big purchases, just small comfort spending. That moment helped her realize something important. She wasn't bad with money. She was just deciding too fast. And here's a tip you can use today. Create a phone album called Not Today. When you feel like buying something, take a photo instead. Later, when you look back, many of those things no longer feel important. Tip number 3, pay the future you first. Most people save whatever's left at the end of the month. But people who build wealth do the opposite. They save first. When your paycheck arrives, move even $20 or $50 into a separate saving account. Give that account a meaningful name. Some people call it peace of mind or future home, maybe freedom fund. Tessa called hers calm cash. And something interesting happened. Every time she saw the accounts growing, she felt proud, not stressed. And here's a tip you can use today. Set up an automatic transfer the day after payday. Automation removes the struggle. Tip number 4, create a $100 weekly win. If you want to grow your savings faster, try creating a $100 win every week. You can do this 2 ways. You can cut $100 or earn the $100. If you want to cut $100, let's try canceling unused subscriptions or cook meals instead of delivery. Why not try a no-spend weekend? They all work. And if you want to earn $100, let's sell some unused item. Try babysitting or dog walking. Maybe help your neighbors with gardening at an hourly rate. Tessa looked around her home and found a few things she no longer used. She found a blender, a jacket, and an old phone stand. So she sold them online and made $120 in 2 days. But the money wasn't the biggest win. The biggest win was confidence. For the first time, she felt like she was moving forward. And here's a tip you can use today. Most homes contain hundreds of dollars worth of unused items. Your clutter may be your first saving account. Something powerful happens when people reach their first $1,000 in savings. The mindset changes. They stop saying, I'm bad with money. They begin saying, I grow money. That identity change is where real financial progress begins. You know what? 4 weeks after starting this small habit, Tessa has saved $320. She has fewer delivery orders, and something even more valuable happened. Her confidence. She finally believed, I can actually do this. And this is where the next step becomes powerful. Saving money is only the beginning. When you start tracking your money, something amazing happens. You begin to see exactly where your money goes. And that's why I've created something called the Future Millionaire Tracker. It helps you progress and grow your savings faster. If you want more peace, more clarity, and smarter money habits, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next step in this journey. Let's lock in the 4 simple tips we talk about today. First one, save something every week, even if it is small. Second, download your free Future Millionaire Tracker. The link is down below. For the next 7 days, write down everything that you have spent in these 3 simple buckets. First one is your need, and it only covers your rent, your food, and your transport. Second one is your wants, and they are your takeout, your treat, or digital extra. Third one is for the future you, your savings, or debt pay down. At the end of the week, add them all up, write the totals in a notebook so you can look back and see your progress. Then, enter them into your Future Millionaire Tracker so you can clearly see where your money is going and how quickly your future you account is growing. The third tip, pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer, even if it is only $20 a week, into a separate account. Give the account a name that means something to you. You might want to call it Stress-Free Life or New Beginning Fund. Maybe Future Home. Naming the account makes it feel real, and people often protect money that has a purpose. And tip number 4, create a $100 weekly win, either by cutting $100 by selling a few unused items at home, or earning it helping your neighbors at a small hourly rate, babysitting, walking their dogs, or gardening, maybe doing a side hustle as well. These small wins strengthen your money muscle. Over time, you begin to protect your future you money, just like many others who started this journey. These steps may sound simple, but simple habits done consistently can change your future. Now, let's put a smile on your face. Why did the savings account break up with the credit card? Because it wanted a more stable relationship? After a few weeks of doing these small habits, something interesting started happening to Tessa. Instead of feeling behind all the time, she started feeling hopeful again because progress, even small progress, builds confidence, and confidence helps you keep going. But there's still one place where many people still get stuck. They try to manage their money, but they still don't clearly see where it's all going. That's why I've created the free Future Millionaire Tracker. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how it works and how it can help you see your money clearly so you can pay off your debt faster and grow your future you account with confidence. Go watch that now, and I'll see you over there.